This video I will show you how can you show your collection or features in your Facebook profile. You can see here there I come here one of my friend profile, he add his feature and or highlights I can see here, but in my profile you can see here if I come here in my profile I actually have added some feature but I cannot see here on my profile. So in this video I will show you how can you show your Facebook feature if you cannot show. You can see here if I click here three dot and then if I click here edit, then you can see here I have added highlights or collection or feature but it's not, you can see here showing on my profile. So in this video I will show the process how can you show your feature if you cannot showing or couldn't showing your feature. So it's a very simple process. What you have to do, you have to come here in your Facebook app and then you have to make sure that your professional mode is off. You can see here I have on my professional mode, that's why the feature is not available on this my profile. So if you cannot turn off professional mode, so I will show the process. You have to simply click here three dot and then you can see here turn off professional mode. You have to simply click here and then you have to continue and then you have to click here turn off. After clicking here turn off, if you come here on your profile, you will can see here if I refresh my page, you can see here the feature or collection have been added to my profile. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.